is Michael B. Fishing. Top of the morning to you. It is 7:30 this morning, and I am headed to the coast. I am super excited. We're going to Gulfport this morning. I'm going to go do a little bit of work down there, go do some fishing while we're down there, test out this new Daiwa shock reel I just got. Granted, I've had these before. In fact, it was the first, this model was the first kind that I got that led me kind of into saltwater fishing, if you would. I got it when I was 16, and first time I ever saw it was in Florida. The first time I had ever saltwater fished in any capacity. And I caught some ladyfish with it, caught some hardheads with it, hardtails with it. So this will be fun. But anyway, yeah, I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. I hope you have a blessed day. And with that being said, let's get into that. Let's get into the action. What's up, y'all? It is Michael B. Fishing here. I hope you can see. This is on a live mullet, bigger mullet rather. Could be a catfish. No, it's not. It is a big old croaker. It was on the shrimp, so I'll let that go. And that shrimp, my mullet's still kicking, so I'll throw this back in the water, and I'll show you what we're doing. It is ridiculously windy out here right now, like crazy windy. But fishing for flounder, I have a jig and a gulp on it. I've caught two so far, so that was cool. Hey y'all, so I'm back now. I'm not sure if there's a fish on this pole, but the line is slacker than I remember, so it's either been hit by a crab or there's a fish on it. It's not just like ridiculously slack, but it is kind of slack. So let's see, I'm gonna put y'all right here, angle y'all up to where y'all can see me. Let's see what happens. Oh well. What's up, y'all? I am out here again, and excuse the horrible window noise right here, but this line is like ridiculously slack now. Fish on it. So it was a fish, in fact. Croaker. So I'm gonna wrap up fishing here in a minute, but hope y'all have enjoyed the video thus far. Please give it a like and subscribe if you have not done so, and let's keep on.